Hello YouTube. Today I'm doing an unboxing of a Wera screwdriver set that I bought on Amazon. Now I've used these screwdrivers before and I just love them. They're the best in the world. That's all I can say. I love the packaging in the box. I ordered 2 extra screwdrivers on top of this. These are Robertson or square drive screwdrivers, so that we have those as well. When you open up the box, in this particular set you have a nice holder for the screwdrivers, which I'm probably going to make my own holder out of maple, so I can put these 2 square drives as well as the screwdrivers you get in the set here. And there we go, 6 screwdrivers. We have 2 Phillips head, 2 Phillips head, a number 1 and a number 2, and 4 regular screwdrivers of different sizes. Now what's really nice about these 2 is these are incredibly strong metal that is not going to come out and just strip and make a mess of the heads. I've used these before and I've never had them strip or break or crack or anything. I suppose that it's possible that they could, but this is just the best screwdrivers I've ever used. And another thing that I love about these is just the handle shape. This thing just feels so good in your hand, the way it's shaped, and you can give, you can really grip it and use a lot of torque and everything, and actually not slip. You're able to hold on to these handles when you're turning something. I would say this is definitely the pinnacle of screwdriver technology. The German company Wera has definitely cornered the market on this. And of course also inside they include a Tool Rebel sticker, Wera Tool Rebels. That's nice. Okay, I just wanted to do a little demonstration for you here with these, putting a screw into a piece of wood, and just how well that these go in, and just nothing slipping. And you can really torque down on these, and you're not going to lose your grip or slide around the handle. Yeah, I think they ergonomically designed these to be absolutely perfect in a hand. Look at that. Now here's a Phillips head screw. Now with the Robertson screw, I wouldn't expect there to be any slipping or anything since it is screwdriver. But then look at this Phillips head. It is not slipping at all. It is gripping. There's plenty of strength in the screw bit that's not going to break. And look at that. You can really torque down on it if you have to. And you're not going to lose your grip. I just love these screwdrivers. Now I haven't tried any of the other tools Wera makes, but I think I'm certainly going to after this. I can't wait to get many years of use out of these Wera tools, these screwdrivers. So, okay, another function or another nice feature on these screwdrivers is that they have a laser tip. What do they call it? Yeah, a laser tip on the very tip of the screwdriver, and I don't know if you can see these little grooves that they have over the face of the screwdriver, over the blades there. And what this does is it grips the screw, and so you have very little slip with the screw itself. And again, this is another wonderful feature that makes these just the best screwdrivers I've ever used. Thank you for watching today, and if you liked this video, please like and subscribe and comment if you want. Tell me about your experience with Wera screwdrivers, if you like them. If you don't, tell me why or why not. Please comment in the comment section below. And thank you for watching. And just remember, I'm just a guy. If I can do it, so can you. Clyde, what do you think of the Wera screwdrivers?